Good morning, all. We've had the worst snowstorm of the winter. Yes. We've been hit with about 1 foot of snow in New York, and it's cold. Right now, it's about 18 degrees. 18 degrees. Mucho frío. And mucho nieve. Sí. Todo problema. ¿Sí? Todo. Nieve aquí in New York. So, stay warm, be careful, drive safe. Even the roads are frozen. Everything is frozen. Heading out to the gym. Hopefully it's open. I didn't think about it. I should have called. And do a little workout, get things done, get to work. People are mobilized, things are happening, but be careful on the roads. And I'll catch you all later. Catch you all at the gym. Have fun. Buenos dias. Todo.